make sure na para sa inyo, katulad nito, ang bansang ito, ay yung mga taxes, makikita mo talagang they would really give back. Kaya sulit, kasi mahal ang ang tax, diba? But they give it back. Ang ganda ng mga infrastruktura dito. Alos mayat-maya nga, nag-change sila, nagbabago yung, so easy for them to change the vicinity or the structures of railroads, of those bridges. They even put a lot of elevators to make their citizens so comfortable. Even these plants and trees, they really take good care of this. They give back the taxes we pay. They give back through these very, very beautiful projects. I just wish, I know kasi, pag nagbabakasyon ka ng Pilipinas, you could see the difference. Na umalis ka, pabalik-balik ka, parang sa halip na makita mong, I appreciate really the government officials of our country, especially si Yorme. Pag napumunta kang Maynila, ang laki ng improvement and development. Tsaka yung naranasan niya kasi yung nanggaling ka sa hirap As for me, I also experienced a lot. Kaya pag may nakikita akong ganyan, kahit walang-wala ka, you would want to give. Kasi naranasan mo, naramdaman mo yung ganong hirap Mas maigi yung maglukluk ka sa posisyon, yung mga taong nakaranas ng hirap at bumangon. Kasi alam nila na, they know how to empathize. They know how to sympathize and to empathize. Meaning, alam nila yung talagang pakiramdam ganong klaseng mga paghihirap at narating nila yung tagumpay, so gugustuhin din nila na mabigyan ka ng if not tagumpay, at least to make you feel comfortable. From rags to riches, from poverty to having a good life, meaning they succeed. Successful people, they help others. They bring others to success also. I'm speaking of the real successful people. Like, they really work so hard to achieve that success in life. Magkaroon ka ng ganong kaibigan, napakaswerte mo, no? They are God's gifts to humanity. Speaking of humanity. Speaking of humanity, let us keep on praying for our Tatay Digong. Just, saludo ako sa pagiging presidente niya. At saka sa kanyang legacy na war on drugs. Hindi lahat magkakaroon ng ganong kalakas ng loob. Pero he really fought so hard, so brave. He really fought courageously, mightily, buong tapang, buong puso niyang ginawa para sa kanyang mga kababayan. I really salute him. First time ko ma-experience yun, yung time na yun, na napaka-safe. Kahit nasa mga liblib at madidilim na lugar, napaka-safe. Matitino ang mga tao, takot gumawa ng kasalanan. You know, I remember when we went to 24-hour ang ating yung I think like 7-Eleven. Then we wanted to buy even just a wine, a bottle of wine, but they did not give us kasi nga merong rules ang government. Bawal mag-inuman sa gabi kasi nagiging dahilan ng mga pag-aaway, paglasing na, lalo na sa lansangan, sa labas. Kaya, di ba, nakakabilib, kahit na gusto mong bumili, not at night time, but at daytime. Kaya nga pala, bawas ang krimen kasi pag yung pinuno, masaya yung mga mamamayan niya. I just hope this coming Christmas of this year, maging masaya na rin tayo. Unlike the last Christmas, marami talagang malulungkot kasi sobrang taas ang mga presyo daw. Oh, I even, I saw it. Diyos ko, sa mall, makikita mo yung presyo ng 1 kilo, 100 pesos. Diba? My gosh. Ganun na ba? Tapos nagdoble na, more than half na yung mga bilihin. Parang ang bilis. That was 2022. 2023 also. Dito, very smooth. Walang ka-traffic. Kahit na rush hour, hindi traffic. Ang medyo dagsaang tao dito sa subway. Ang daming subway nila. Kaya pag mga buses, okay lang. Kasi they prioritize the subways. Napakaraming subway dito. You know, underground subways. Diba? Would you believe na napakarami ng Filipino engineers dito? Napakatalino natin. Smart. Because they work in other countries and they make all of this. See? If they can make all of this, they can also do this in their own country, in Philippines. Mapapaganda nila ang ating bansa. Basta sana magkaroon tayo ng gobyerno na may talagang pusong magserbisyo. Hindi gawing pansarili ang posisyon. Kung anong sanang sinumpaan, ipinangako, ibigay. Kasi narinig ang pangako na yan, hindi lang ng sarili mo, ng buong bansa, ng buong mundo. Just imagine. Sana sa mga hacker course din, napakaraming hackers, ano? Biglang dumagsa ang hackers mula nag-start yung pandemic. The same as president. Kung mabuti yung president, mabuti rin ang kalalagyan ng kanyang bansa at mabuti rin kalalagyan ng kanyang bansang pinamumunuan. So as the hackers, if you are a good hacker, you can also do good things for the greater good, for the good of so many. You can prevent the bad hackers from their evil intentions. Anyway, guys, I am with you, also praying and hoping for Philippines to be okay, to be successful, to be a safe country again, and hoping to be a great country in the future. Kung nagawa ng mga ibang bansa ang magtagumpay na itong mga bansa na to dati lang na tinulungan ng Pilipinas, ngayon very successful na, kasama na sa mga top 10, top 20. Kung nagawa ng ibang bansang mahirap ang magtagumpay, kayang-kaya ng bansang Pilipinas, kayang-kaya magkaroon lamang ng maayos na gobyerno. Sana yun ang wish natin lahat, diba? Ang makita ang ating sinilang bansa na maayos at successful. Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you. God bless you. Have a great day.